I got a shipment from Keith over at Outlaw Speed Shop. So let's get this box open. See what's in here. I have an idea what it is. So I should open this ahead of time. Oh, actually, more in here than I thought there was going to be. A cool combi, because I like cool combis. Combis are cool. Oh, Volkswagen Beetle. That thing's actually cool. It's a tuned Beetle. I haven't seen that one. Oh, I got to do something with that. Flower power. Flower powered VW. That's pretty cool. That's hilarious. That's obviously it's been wheel swapped and customized. That's pretty neat. Move that out of the way. Okay, that's what I thought was going to be in here. I think okay, that's it for the box. Okay, now this is what I was expecting to be in here. Good, I didn't have a sticker of Keith, so that's cool. Get this open. Got a couple stickers. And then Keith's specialty. The Wienermobile. Oh, gas landed out. This is fantastic. You know, I knew this Wiener was in good hands. This is fantastic, Keith. This love what you did with it. I have to do some glamour shots of this. Just these pictures aren't doing it justice. So thanks, Keith. This is hilarious. I wasn't expecting the other stuff. You did mention that you were sending this back my way. And it's cool. Thanks, Keith. Everybody check out Keith's channel. I'm sure you're all already subscribed, but in case you're not, I'll put a link in the description for this video. Thanks again. I'm going to do some glamour shots.